Okay, guys, so we decided Yowie at like 12:09 in the morning. Sorry, this is my midnight snack. We've also heard doors opening and closing at like 11. Weird thing, I think. So now I guess we'll just have to hold out and find out if anything else happens. If so, then I'll upload it to my YouTube channel.